Want to give your photos a retro look by adding a date and timestamp? Or do you need to add a date to a photo because your camera's date settings were off? Then this guide is for you. We'll show you step by step how to timestamp a photo with PhotoWorks. Let's get started. Import the photo you want to add a date to. You can just drag it directly into the program window. Switch to the Text and Frames tab and select the Text tool. Type the date your images were taken. Select a pre-designed text style for your caption under Styles. If you wish to change your caption style, navigate to Settings. You may alter the font, adjust the opacity and angle, and even apply an outline or shadow to it. Move the stamp to a place you prefer. Once you are completely satisfied with the results, click Apply. Then, click the Save button to export your modified photos for printing or uploading online. That's how to add date and timestamp to a photo using PhotoWorks. It allows you to easily capture all of your life's experiences and anchor your history in time.